Welcome to our lesson on 45, 45, 90 triangles. Today, you will learn all about the special relationship between their sides, described by the leg to hypotenuse ratio. A 45, 45, 90 triangle is a specific type of right-angled triangle. It has two interior angles that each measure 45 degrees and a third angle that is a 90-degree right angle. Because two of its angles are equal, it's also known as an isosceles right triangle. In any 45, 45, 90 triangle, the two legs are always equal in length. This happens because the angles opposite these sides are also equal. The longest side, called the hypotenuse, is always found opposite the 90-degree angle. There is a special ratio that connects the sides of every 45, 45, 90 triangle. The ratio of the sides is 1:1 to the square root of 2. This describes the relationship between a leg, the other leg, and the hypotenuse. We can prove this ratio using the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Since the legs a and b are equal, we can call them both x. The formula becomes x squared plus x squared equals c squared. Adding the terms gives us 2x squared equals c squared. To find c, the hypotenuse, we take the square root of both sides, which gives us the square root of 2x squared. This simplifies to x times the square root of 2. So the sides are x, and x times the square root of 2. Let's try an example. If one leg of a 45, 45, 90 triangle is 5 units long, what is the length of the hypotenuse? We use the formula, hypotenuse equals leg times the square root of 2. So the hypotenuse is 5 times the square root of 2. The final length is 5 times the square root of 2 units. Now let's work backwards. If the hypotenuse is 10 times the square root of 2 units, what is the length of each leg? The formula is leg equals hypotenuse divided by the square root of 2. So, we have 10 times the square root of 2, all divided by the square root of 2. The square roots of 2 cancel each other out, leaving us with 10. This means each leg is 10 units long. What happens if the hypotenuse is a whole number like 8? To find the leg, we divide 8 by the square root of 2. To simplify this fraction, we need to do something called rationalizing the denominator. We multiply both the top and bottom of the fraction by the square root of 2. This gives us 8 times the square root of 2 on top and 2 on the bottom. Finally, 8 divided by 2 is 4, so the length of each leg is 4 times the square root of 2 units. This may seem abstract, but it's very useful in the real world. For instance, if you cut a square sandwich diagonally, you create two 45, 45, 90 triangles. The diagonal cut is the hypotenuse. Architects and engineers use this knowledge to calculate diagonal distances quickly, saving time and ensuring accuracy in their plans. To summarize, remember these key points. A 45, 45, 90 triangle has angles of 45, 45, and 90 degrees. Its two legs are always equal. The ratio of its sides is always 1:1 to the square root of 2. To find the hypotenuse, you multiply a leg by the square root of 2. And to find a leg, you divide the hypotenuse by the square root of 2.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.